Welcome. Lesson 9 Food Essence of Life, 5th Standard, Environmental Science, Part 2. As per 2025-2026 Karnataka State Board syllabus, observe the Tripadi of Savi Sarvajna. In the second line, he says not to eat stale food mixed with fresh food. Why does he say so? Think. Write your answer here. Savi Sarvajna's Tripadi reflects deep wisdom about health, hygiene, and respect for food. In the second line, ಹಸಿಯದೇ ಉಣಬೇಡ, ಹಸಿದು ಮತ್ತಿರಬೇಡ. He warns against mixing stale food with the fresh food. Here's why. Reasons behind the advice. Health and hygiene. Stale food may contain harmful bacteria or fungi that can cause food poisoning or other illness. Mixing it with fresh food contaminates the entire meal. Loss of nutrition value. Fresh food is rich in nutrients, while the stale food loses its nutritional quality over time. Mixing them reduces the overall benefit of eating healthy. Encouragement of clean habits. Sarvajna's word promotes clean cooking and eating habits, which are crucial for a healthy lifestyle and community well being. Think. We can't maintain our health if we eat food containing the same nutrients every day. Why? Imagining Imagine eating only bread and honey every day. You will get carbohydrates and lipids, but no proteins for growth, no vitamins to fight diseases, and no minerals for strong bones. Over time, this can lead to weakness, poor immunity, and even illness. Observe the following food materials: paddy, foxtail millets, meat, pearl millet, mango, cheese, ragi, ghee, egg, cauliflower, milk, fenugreek seeds, carrot, buttermilk, radish. Do this. Classify the food materials given above and write them in the table given below. Food materials from plant source, food materials from animal source. Food materials from plant source, plant-based items, paddy, foxtail millets, pearl millet, mango, ragi, fenugreek seeds, mentia, carrot, cauliflower, radish. Animal-based items, meat, cheese, ghee, egg, milk, buttermilk. The list of some food materials obtained from plant sources given. Observe. Mango, brinjal, sesame, green gram, foxtail millets, amaranth, harive, palak, groundnut, lemon, beetroot, fenugreek seeds, mentia, sunflower seeds, sweet potato, red gram, jowar, black gram, orange, little millet. Write the food materials given above in the related petals of the plant source. Foxtail millets, jowar, little millets. These are cereals. Pulses are green gram, red gram, black gram. Oil seeds, sesame, groundnut, fenugreek seeds, mentia, sunflower seeds. Vegetable, brinjal, beetroot, sweet potato. Fruits, mango, lemon, orange. Green leafy vegetables, amarnath, harive, palak, plant source. Activity. List out the millets shown in the picture. Just list them and write here. Jowar, pearl millet, downtop millet, little millet, ragi, kodo millet, proso millet, foxtail millet, barnyard millet. Think. Nowadays, doctors advise patients to consume millets. Why? Because millets are rich in nutrients. Millets contain fiber, iron, calcium, magnesium, and B vitamins, great for growth and strength, good for diabetes. They release sugar slowly into the blood, helping control blood sugar levels, supports digestion. High fiber helps prevent constipation and keeps the stomach healthy. Heart friendly. Millets reduce bad cholesterol and improve heart health. Gluten free, safe for people with gluten allergies or celiac disease. Eco-friendly crop. Millets need less water and grow well in dry soil, perfect for sustainable farming. Boosts immunity. Nutrients like zinc and iron help fight infections and keep the body strong. Fourth thing, increasing population and decreasing agricultural land is a cause for decrease in availability of food. How? More people to feed. More mouths mean more demand for food, especially grains, vegetables, and pulses. Farmland used for buildings, agricultural land is converted into houses, roads, and factories, reducing space to grow crops. Less land for farming, farmers have fewer fields to grow food, leading to lower production. Pressure on water resources. More people and less farmland strain water resources, affecting irrigation and crop health. Think what are advantages of giving midday meal and milk in the schools? Advantages of midday meals and milk in the school. Benefit why it matters. Improves concentration. A full stomach helps children focus better in the class and participate actively. Supports growth and health. Nutrients, food, nutritious food, and milk provide protein, calcium, and energy for growing bodies. Encourages school attendance. Children are more likely to come to school regularly when meals are provided. As food materials are available, it is possible to prepare food for us. Make a list of the food prepared at your home. List of the food prepared at home. 1. Ragi mudde with sambar, made from ragi flour and served with spicy lentil curry. 2. Vegetable palya, stir-fried vegetables like brinjal, carrot, and beans with a mustard and curry leaves. Or lemon rice, chitrana, cooked rice mixed with lemon rice, turmeric, and mustard seeds. Fourth, sweet pongal, made from rice, jaggery, ghee, and dry fruit for festivals and special days. Complete the following activity. Your food. Season, food you eat. Summer season, buttermilk, watermelon, cucumber, lemon juice, curd rice, raw mango chutney. Rainy season, hot ragi mudde with sambar, steamed idli, ginger tea, pakoras, boiled sweet corn. Winter, ragi roti, sesame laddus, hot milk, vegetable soup, groundnut chicky, upama. Neighbor's food. Neighboring house. Ragi mudde with bassaru, dosa with coconut chutney, tomato goju, fresh curd rice. The common food of your village or the town. Ragi roti, avarekalu dishes, chitrana, lemon rice, majjigi, buttermilk, nuchu, broken rice. The common food of your district. Ragi-based meals, saru with seasonal vegetables, groundnut chutney, rice and sambar kosambri. The common food of different places of Karnataka. Get the help of teacher. North Karnataka, jowar roti, enegai, stuffed brinjal, chutney pudi, sajji roti, hara mandaki. South Karnataka, ragi mudde with bassaru, ki roti, bisibele bhat, wangi bhat, kosambari. Coastal Karnataka, neer dosa, fish curry, puri roti, chicken with crispy roti, patrode, coconut-based gravies. Malnad raisin, akki roti, bamboo shoot curry, jackfruit dishes, wild greens, sambar, avalaki poha. Answer the following questions. Use the chart shown above. 1. Which food do you take mainly in summer? In summer, I mainly eat cooling foods like buttermilk, watermelon, cucumber, lemon juice, and curd rice. Second, which food do you take commonly in winter? In winter, I commonly eat warm and rich foods like ragi roti, sesame laddus, hot milk, vegetable soup, and groundnut chicky. Third, which is the main food of your district? The main food of my district, Bengaluru rural, is ragi-based meals like ragi mudde, saru with seasonal vegetables, rice and sambar, and kosambari. Fourth, the food of different places in Karnataka is different. Why? 1. Different regions have different climates, dry, coastal, hilly, rainy. People grow and eat what suits their land. Second, local crops like jowar, ragi, rice, coconut, and spices influence the food habits of each area. 3. Cultural traditions and festivals also shape the recipes and cooking styles in each region. Think just food is not good for junk food is not good for health. Why junk food is not good for health? One, low nutritional value. Junk food often lacks important nutrients like vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. It fills the stomach but doesn't help the body grow strong or stay healthy. Too much sugar, salt, and oil. Items like chips, soft drinks, and sweets contain high amounts of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. These can lead to problems like obesity, tooth decay, and high blood pressure. Third one, no energy for learning or playing. Eating junk food regularly can make you feel tired, lazy, or even moody. Healthy food gives real energy for studying, playing, and staying active. Think, what is fast food? Fast food means food that is quick to prepare and serve, usually ready in minutes. Sold at restaurants or stalls like burger shops, pizza places, or roadside vendors, often fried or processed, like French fries, burgers, noodles, and soft drinks. Activity. Which type of the food should we eat? Discuss with your friends about this. We should eat nutritious food that gives energy, helps us grow, and keep us healthy. Examples: vegetable fruits, whole grains, pulses, milk, nuts, seasonal and local food that suits the weather and is fresh. Example: ragi in winter, cucumber in summer, avocado in rainy season. Home cooked meals made with love and clean ingredients. Examples: roti, saru, upama, kosambari. We should avoid junk food like chips, soft drinks, and packaged snacks. These have too much oil, sugar, or salt, and very little nutrition. Too much fast food, which may be tasty but not healthy if eaten often. Ready-made food packets. Nowadays, food we eat is now available in packets. While buying them, observe the following points: date of manufacture and expiry date, the ingredients added to the stuffs, quantity of chemicals, temperature needed to preserve the packet. Activity: take the packet of the foodstuff and list out the points mentioned above. Date of manufacture 3/25/14. Expiry date 3/24/15. Ingredients: chemicals added, no preservatives added, no colors used. Storage temperature, avoid strong light. Suggest it could keep in a cool and dark place. Activity: food is being wasted in many circumstances. With the help of your teacher, list out the situations and reasons for which food is being wasted. At wedding or lodge functions, too much food is cooked and leftovers are thrown away instead of reused. In school lunch plates, children take more than they can eat or don't like the taste. At home during meals, food is overcooked or not stored properly, leading to spoilage. Activity: list out the foodstuff which are preserved by drying them. Foodstuffs preserved by drying: grapes, dry grapes, raisins, coconut, copra, mango, aam papad, mango leather, coriander leaves, dried coriander, fish, dried fish, chilies, dried red chilies, onions, dried onion flakes, tamarind, dried tamarind pulp, fenugreek leaves, dried methi, gooseberries, dried amla. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.